Would you like to learn how to make some delicious liver and onions? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
So of course you're going to need some liver for this liver and onions recipe, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. The first thing we have to do is season up the flour. I'm going to use some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comments section, but if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. I'm also going to add some complete seasoning. I actually don't even eat liver. I do not know how you people do it, child. But my mom actually loves it, so I learned to perfect it for her. There's no need to season the actual liver. Just seasoning the flour is enough because liver is delicate and you never want to over season it, particularly with salt, because that draws out moisture and it could cause the liver to become dry and rubbery. And we don't want that. Now I have some avocado oil in a pan on medium-high heat, and I'm just gonna let the liver fry about 3 minutes per side. And once both sides are nice and golden like so, then I'll remove the liver from the pan. And then after that, I'll add some chopped onions to the pan. I'll reduce the heat to medium and allow the onions to saute for about 3 minutes. And then after that, I'll add some flour to the pan to thicken up the gravy that we're about to create. And then I'll stir the flour in real well. We need to cook off that raw flour taste, which will take about 3 minutes. Now off camera, I made some beef broth using some Better Than Bullion beef base. So I'll add that beef broth to the pan, give it a stir, and then next I'm gonna add a little garlic paste to this. But that's optional. I was just trying to help your palate. Now I'm gonna flavor up the beef broth some more by adding some additional Better Than Bullion beef base. And I'll stir that in real good. And then I'm gonna add a little why in the world would they name it that sauce, as well as some Italian seasoning. And of course you wanna taste the gravy and adjust the seasonings if necessary. And if you find that the gravy is a little light and you would like a darker gravy, then you can add some browning to darken it. Browning doesn't really have flavor, it just gives the food color. And if you find that you would like your gravy to be a little thicker, this Wonder quick mixing flour is really good. It doesn't clump up and it helps to thicken up the gravy, as opposed to having to make a cornstarch slurry and stuff. Now after I give this a good stir, then I'm going to add the liver back to the pan, cover it and reduce the heat to low. It'll take about 5 minutes for the gravy to thicken up and the liver to fully cook. And then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. So my mom said, as usual, that it's the best liver and onion she ever had. No, she's not biased. I tasted it too, and it is seasoned perfectly. The liver really does taste good. It's just something about that organ meat. It's just not my thing, child. But if you do like liver and onions, I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
So good. Make sure you like and subscribe.